Have you ever wondered why, in a world overflowing with food, many of us are still not getting the right nutrients? It's a curious paradox, isn't it? But the answer lies in understanding the concepts of nutrition, malnutrition, obesity, portioning, and good feeding habits. Nutrition, in a nutshell, is about the nutrients in our food, the things our bodies need to function properly. These nutrients include proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Each plays a unique role in keeping us healthy. For example, proteins repair body tissues, carbohydrates provide energy, and fats store energy. Vitamins and minerals, on the other hand, support various bodily functions like immune response, bone health, and blood clotting. However, it's not enough to simply consume these nutrients. We need them in the right proportions. This is where good feeding habits and portioning come into play. Portioning is the practice of controlling the amount of food we eat. It's not just about eating less, it's about eating right. A well-portioned meal contains adequate amounts of each nutrient, ensuring our bodies get what they need without overloading on any one thing. Now, what happens when we don't get the right nutrients, or when we get them in wrong proportions? That's where malnutrition and obesity come in. Malnutrition is a state of nutrient deficiency. It can result from not getting enough nutrients, or from not being able to use the nutrients one does get. Either way, it can lead to a host of health problems, from stunted growth in children to weakened immune systems in adults. Obesity, on the other hand, is a state of nutrient excess, specifically of energy-dense nutrients like fats and sugars. It's often the result of overeating, but also of eating too much of the wrong things. Obesity increases the risk of many health problems, from heart disease to diabetes to certain types of cancer. In summary, nutrition is about getting the right nutrients in the right proportions. Malnutrition and obesity are the consequences of getting this balance wrong, either by not getting enough nutrients or by getting too much. Good feeding habits and portioning are key to getting this balance right. They help us make sure we're getting what we need without overdoing it. They're not just about eating less or more, they're about eating right. So, in our world overflowing with food, let's not forget that it's not just about quantity. Quality matters too, and so does balance. Because as they say, you are what you eat.